Installation is completed. Used a few more extra tools, a drill. Did a little bit of welding on the seams just to make sure everything was tight, and I had to jack up the car a little bit more. The difference is very noticeable, and the sound I'll show. The only problem I'm having is knowing which position the switch is in when it's open or closed. Anyways, so now the car is still cold. Now it's quite quiet. Now, I assume that's the open position. Yeah. Now I got a little bit louder. Now, while I'm revving it, I'll show how it closes, and it'll go completely quiet again. And it's back to quiet. All I flip of the switch. Now underneath the car, you can see it hanging there. However, the car is jacked up and I'm holding the camera on an angle, so it's a little bit easier to see it. But if you knew what you were looking for, you could find it, or if you had it on a hoist. Otherwise, pretty clean install and using minimal tools.